First step is how to remove the seal out of the baking pan. You can use sharp thing, maybe little screwdriver. I use this little screwdriver and just pull it off a little bit each side until it gets out. Or the other way is you can remove the retaining ring on the bottom of the shaft and push the shaft this way. But be careful, because in the middle of the shaft is one more retaining ring, so it will remove the seal, but it will break it. But anyway, if we don't need it anymore, so it's okay. So what I did first version, how I fixed my seal is I made this orange washer out of this cupcake pan, which is silicone and it's temperature resistant, so you can bake it. So I made it this orange washer. I removed the inside of the seal, the inside part with the, so this one was here, so I removed it very careful with the razor blade and put inside the orange washer and put this part again here. So I have a new seal. I put it inside and all the parts, and it works good, but not for a long time. You have to replace the orange washer after a while. That's why I did something else. I bought a bearing which is 8 millimeters inside for the shaft. If you have a different size shaft, you have to buy different size bearing, inside size and outside too. It doesn't have to be more than 20 millimeters. It depends how big is your seal also. So I put inside the bearing and I bought ceramic washers. I can use those metal ones, but because I don't have the ceramics anymore, they're inside the pan now. So I put the bearing inside instead of the original seal. Where the seal was placed, I put the bearing and then the ceramic washers on top. You can use one ceramic washer to slide on the bearing and to seal it, or two ceramic washers. If you use two ceramic washers, you have to cut orange washers the same size as the ceramic one, put one orange on top of the bearing, put one ceramic, put the other one ceramic, and put again orange washer on top, maybe 2 or 3, to be able, after you put the kneading blade, to press down the whole assembly a little bit to be able to seal it very good. You can make the bearing inside, outside diameter is smaller than 20, we said. So the one way is you can cut aluminum shims out of soda can and make a ring like this and put like around 4 or 5 rings inside first, and then put the bearing, insert the bearing, so the bearing will be tight inside, not to move. Or you can use the old seal with the razor blade. Just you can remove the cover of the seal very careful like this. Take it off and remove it out of the metal cup like this. So you can use this for the bearing and put inside the bearing. So we have 20 millimeters outside, and you press it. This is the bottom, this is the top. You press it like this. You can lubricate a little bit with the butter or fat, and inside the pillow, and press it inside and put everything else there. So I have the drawing here. The bottom is the bearing, then is the orange washer, then is ceramic, one more ceramic, and orange, and maybe 2 or 3. So after you put the kneading blade, to press everything down a little bit, slightly down, to be able to seal everything. And this is the where you can buy the parts. The bearing, the top is the bearing. Website is $5. Then is the ceramic washers, they're $5 each also. And those are the punchers. If you have 5/16 puncher or 1/4 puncher, they work. And I used, in my case, this is piece of golf club shaft, which works for me. So that's all. And you can have, oh, this one, the orange thing, you can buy from Dollar Tree store. It's $1 piece. You can make many washers out of it. So that's all. You can have a seal forever.